Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare vegetable soup or vegetable sauce together. Like you can use it to eat fufu and rice together. So this is the butter leaf for this special meal, and this is crayfish I'm going to use. And this is my onions and fresh tomatoes with little pepper. Then this is my fresh pepper. Then this is the coconut oil I'm going to use. And this is ugu vegetable. I've washed it already. And this is ordinary meal. So I'm not going to use all of this. I'll just use like 5. So I'm going to skip the rest. Then this is my palm oil, red oil. And this is the salt I'm going to use. So now this is the palm oil. I put it off camera. So now it's on fire. So now I want to put the coconut oil. I'm mixing them together to get hot. So now I want to fry the fish, just a little, not too much. So now the fish is fried already, so I've removed it off camera, and now I'm back to the camera. So now I'm going to be putting the tomato and onions. I'm going to fry them. Then now this is the pepper. Wow, as you can see, just look at the color. Wow, so yummy. So guys, I'm using charcoal stove to cook this. So now I'm stirring it. See the color of this food. Wow, it's so colorful. So it's time for me to put the water leaf. So I'm going to let the water leaf also fry. I'm stirring it. Guys, if you have not tried this pattern before, I think you need to try this now. So now I'm putting the crayfish. I'm still going to stir it so to mix. So now I'm going to add a little salt for the taste to come out. So guys, I quickly rush and add water so I don't get burnt. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put my ugu vegetable off camera now. So now I've done it. It's time for me to stir them together. So now I've come to the end of today's video. So I'm not going to put the fish now so that the fish won't pieces. So I'm just going to let it heat as I'm stirring it. So now I've put the fish and my stuffed fish is pomo off camera. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and goodbye for now.